And tonight we're learning about an alarming arrest on a downtown rooftop overlooking the crowded 4th of July parade route. This is where police seized 2 illegal guns from a man already facing felony gunfire charges in Illinois. St. Louis police took Trentston Sappington into custody and seized his guns. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. Tonight, a 5 on Your Side investigation reveals he was already known to authorities, raising questions about how he still had access to those guns in the first place. Political editor Mark Maxwell has the developing story, all new at 6.
Yeah, the new St. Louis ban on open carry of firearms without a concealed carry permit might have prevented what would have otherwise been a terrible tragedy on July 4th. Police got a call about a suspicious figure on top of a parking garage overlooking that parade and sprang into action. Thousands of people packed the streets of downtown St. Louis last Thursday to celebrate Independence Day. Overhead, on the roof of this parking garage at 604 Pine, Trentston Sappington held 2 semi-automatic pistols in a bag with a bird's eye view of the parade route. Police would not tell us how much ammunition he had when they took him into custody, but a law enforcement source tells 5 on Your Side that responding officers found him armed and overlooking a large crowd of people that appeared to be in a depressive state and possibly in a mental health crisis. He was due in court to face felony charges the next day.
There is a cross-river crime problem. It's just the reality.
Madison County State's Attorney Tom Hain had charged Sappington with 2 Class 4 felonies last month. Court records allege Sappington fired a gun into this crowded Alton intersection in January. Police conducted an investigation and issued a warrant for his arrest 2 months later in March, and last month, campus police at SIU Edwardsville pulled him over for expired tags. Under Illinois' new law that abolishes cash bail, prosecutors can ask a judge to detain someone who uses a firearm in the commission of a crime. Hain did not. Sappington had no FOID card. The conditions of his release said transporting a gun under indictment is a federal crime.
People violate the conditions of their release all the time.
So those stolen firearms are logged in that system.
Shannon Hamm is the assistant special agent in charge at the ATF. When St. Louis police found Sappington on that rooftop with guns and no concealed carry permit, they seized his guns and ran a background check. One came back stolen. The other matches the description of the gun fired in Alton 6 months ago.
One of the charging offenses for a person possessing a firearm is that it did cross state lines or affected interstate commerce. So it would be a federal statute under that point that we could investigate and charge federally.
Sappington's defense attorney in Illinois said he wasn't even aware his client had been arrested in St. Louis yet. He is no longer in custody tonight. We're told charges are pending in St. Louis while his guns are in that evidence locker there. In Illinois, State's Attorney Hain says, quote, "We filed a petition to revoke the defendant's pretrial release, asking that he be held pending the resolution of these cases."